Hello everyone, this is OPO from TUDL Music. I'm here to demonstrate on how to create a release. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and log into our dummy account. Let's see. Alright, once you have logged in, you will be presented with our panel, our information panel. Okay, you will have your news over here, your daily trends for the last 30 days, sales to date, your downloads, your streams, and your views. Views as far as for YouTube and other video distribution platforms. Okay, any attentions that needed, as far as any problems with your release, it will be down here. Any conflicts or disputes will be down here. Okay, so once you log in, let's go ahead and create a release. All right, so let's go ahead and upload our track first. Let's do that. Number one. Let's do that first of all. And as that is creating, as that is uploading, let's go ahead and fill out our. I already had these already pre-created. Let's see, title. What's that? Nylon. Right on capital. All right. Let's see. Let's put in English. All right. If you don't have an EAN number, leave it there. Leave it blank. It will auto generate. All right. So let's go nylon cat. Let's put it in nylon cat. So we'll know exactly what that is. All right. Let's see, product line, production line. Let me see. That'll be. Let's do Dream City Records. Let's do Dream City Records. All right, let's go back and capitalize that. Okay. When is the release dates? All right, the 28th. Let's do available from. Release date available from. Let's do the 27th. Okay. All right, let me see. The primary genre. Just fill that in. Automatically come up. Let's go mainstream. Okay. So let's look over everything. Version, you can keep that blank. If it's original version, you can keep that blank. All right. Let's see. Anything else that we need? No. Let's go back and put in our cover. Yeah, let's put on our cover. Let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and use. I think I'm gonna go ahead and use another artist cover just for demonstration purposes. Okay. Now, transcoding all files. Everything's good. Sound like everything is done. Okay. Sound like everything is done. All right. Let's go to continue. All right. Once you continue, all right. This probably is going to look for an ISRC code. If anybody know what that is, that's International Standard Recording Code. That is like the Social Security number to whatever song or whatever album that you releasing. All right. Now, if it's an instrumental, live, or cover version, it's an instrumental. If you want to stream and subscribe, that's like streaming and subscription is like if you want only the subscribers to listen to your song, only ones that's subscribing, paid subscribers, and like that. All right. And if, you know, mobile ringtones and downloads and things of that nature. So all we got to do is just add contributor. All right, let's add a contributor. Let's add a composer, Young Boy K. Let's put him as a producer. Yeah, let's put him as a producer. Yep. And then we want to add a publisher. Let's do Dream City Records as the publisher. Okay. Now, as the publisher, you can put ASCAP. It'll ask you, you know, if you want to put ASCAP. You can put any publisher that you're under. Okay. Save and confirm. That's what we do. Let's see. Cover is missing. Let's go back and edit that. 1 second. Now, the cover is still there. I don't understand why it's showing that and then it's showing that. Let's go ahead and save it again. All right, let's go ahead and confirm. Okay, that's why. Okay. Now, it's saying the release date cannot be available from date before. Okay. So let's go ahead and put the 29th. Let's confirm. Alrighty, there we go. Save. Alrighty, so now, since we've done that, now all we have to do, right? All we have to do is hit deliver. Once we hit deliver, it's out there. As simple as that. We don't want to hit deliver right now because then it would be delivered to all over the world. So we don't want to do that. But once you hit deliver, it will be delivered to all of the platforms, the online platforms. Okay. So I think that's about it for releases. Stay tuned for just showing you around the whole platform itself. Thank you. This is Opio from TUDL Music. Talk to you later.